Welcome back to another quick tutorial. Ever muted a Pinterest chat and now struggling to get those notifications back? Whether you accidentally silenced a conversation or changed your mind, I'll show you exactly how to unmute chats on Pinterest in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, grab your phone and open the Pinterest app. You'll land on your home feed, filled with fresh ideas and inspiration. At the bottom of the screen, look for the chat icon. It's the little speech bubble in the menu bar. Give it a tap. This opens your messages, where all your conversations live. Now scroll through your chats and find the one you'd like to unmute. Maybe it's a group chat about home decor projects or a direct message from a friend sharing recipes. Once you've found it, tap to open the conversation. At the top right corner of the screen, you'll spot 3 small dots. That's your settings menu for this chat. Tap those dots, and a menu will pop up. Look for the option labeled Notifications Off. This means the chat is currently muted. Select it to open your notification preferences. Here's where the magic happens. You'll see a toggle switch or an option labeled Always On. Flip that switch or tap the option to reactivate notifications for this chat. Pinterest will instantly start alerting you again whenever new messages arrive in this conversation. And that's it. No more missing updates from your favorite collaborators or friends. If you ever want to mute the chat again, just follow the same steps and toggle notifications back off. Before you go, if this helped you regain control of your Pinterest chats, give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss our quick tech tips. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.